Recession kab khatam hoga? Okay, so why you are waiting for the recession to end? These changes are uncertain. Okay, we cannot guarantee that at in January, February or March it will be completely removed, or can be anything, or things will be settled down. Okay, so please do not wait for the recession to end. And if you are a skilled person, if you are socializing your skills on daily basis, then this recession or any layoff will not going to impact you. You have to be in top 10% and recruiters will going to shortlist your resume. But for this, you have to be socialize yourself. Okay, you are a product and you have to sell yourself, or you have to show yourself that I am capable and I can be useful for your company for this position. So do not wait for the recession to end. It will be goes on like this, and we are not sure when it will be going to end. And in future, competition will obviously going to be higher as number of things are introduced. You have to be very skilled if you want that these recession, AI layoff should not impact you. So do focus on your skills, not on the recession or on layoff, when they will end, when they will going to start, or what are the news are saying. Do not focus on these things, only focus on yourself, and all these things will not going to impact you.